Alright, so nandito kami ngayon sa River City, Bangkok. And yung dalawa yung naglalakad. And then magko-cross kami papunta rin sa ICONSIAM, which is over there. Ayun, ICONSIAM. Magko-cross. Merong free ferry rito. So, lalakad lang kami ng konti. Yeah. May libreng ano, doon lang daw.
Ayun o, yung dadaanan nyo, yun lang.
Oh.
Hello, boat ticket and a cruise ticket. May I have it, sir? Where you want to go?
So magko-cross lang kami rito, papunta rin sa ICONSIAM. Look at this. Ano to? Meron silang bike tour. Is that a bike tour? Oh, cool. Did you have fun? Nice. So may bayad pala 10 baht. Magko-cross lang kami ng papuntang Sipaya to ICONSIAM. Kala ko free. Sabi nakalagay doon free.
30 tayo. Magkano sabihin natin? 70. Bigay mo na lang to sa akin para may pera naman ako.
And then meron dito sa ferry terminal, meron din siyang mga boat tickets, mga tour. Ikot kayo sa mga river. So kung gusto nyo mag-book ng canal adventure, punta sa buong mga kanal. How much the 1.5 hour? Oh, right there. 2,000.
Is
Alright.
it total price?
Per person?
No, total.
I'm sorry?
In total.
Okay, tatawid lang kami papuntang ICONSIAM. Sa cross the river.
Mainit.
Ayan, alis tayo. Magko-cross lang tayo. Sino tayo pupunta? Ayun. Magko-cross lang kami ng river. Grabe init. 11:35 in the morning. Grabe, ang init. It's like 80 degrees Fahrenheit. is the entrance to ICONSIAM. Hello. Nice and cold.
Dining. Auntie Anne. Dining. Oh, let's get this, Mom. Look. Thai
Where's
tea. Yeah. Where's that? Look. Saan yan? Ground floor, somewhere there. Oh, hold on.
Hey. World class
Wanna get
Thai
it
tea?
now or later?
Which one?
The Thai tea. Baka dito meron.
Oh, it's like a street food.
I said it looks like Vegas. Okay, merong ano doon.
Dumpling. Thai roasted bun. Durian, bro. Len! Len! Gratis. Sarap. Pero hindi naman, hindi yung pinakano, di ba?
$2.99.
亲爱的顾客朋友，欢迎光临暹罗乐城，请您妥善保管好自己的。
This place. The street food. I like this place. Grabe, ang daming choices. Di mo lang nakakainin mo.
Ayun na pansin.
Patsin?
Pansin.
Pad Thai.
Pad-pad.
Grabe, ang daming pagkain. Ito yung ano, sticky rice nila na mango. Oh, look at that. Chicharon. Bagnet sa Pilipinas. Oh, is it good?
It would be very nice.
I don't know if I'm gonna try it.
Especially the one when you
Look
bite
at
it, there's
that.
something inside. Do they eat that raw?
Sarap niya, no? Ayan, oh. 200 baht. Oh.
Try mo na.
This one is, meron sa atin ito, kamaro or kamamaro. na pad thai. Crocodile. Right. And these are crocodile meat. Oh my god. And this is for seafood. Backbone. Look at that, taba. Grabe. Lobster. Chicharron. Pad Thai. White corn.
Okay. Small size.
Pagkatako. Oh, ito yung ano, floating river. I mean, floating boat meron sa loob. Pad Thai.
รับเลยค่ะสั่งได้ค่ะไม่ไปกินข้าว
Okay, so ito yung mga choices niya. Kompleto na siya.
Look for cup cow.
Okay, so dito sa ICONSIAM, kompleto na yung kung magpo-food trip ka, merong Korean, Western. Mamili ka na dyan. Chinese, Cantonese. Meron siya Japanese. Meron Thai. Ito rin recommended nung friend ni Nadine. Meron siyang ramen. So ito yung ano, floating market inside the mall. Galing oh. Diba? Ang galing oh. Oh, look at that. Yung coconut, yung peanut na. Can I taste?
Yeah.
It's different, huh? It's agad. It's different. Thank you. Peanut yan may iba. Iba yung peanut.
Sweet?
Good.
Want it? Walang corn?
Meron doon. Doon. Balik tayo. Balik tayo mamaya. Ikaw, gusto mo? Yeah, 100 baht. $3.
Or peanut ba yung ano?
Mais? Masarap kumain dito ng mga street food, hindi mainit. At least covered siya. Hindi ka papawisan. Nasa loob lang sa ng ICONSIAM Mall or ICONSIAM. Ha?
Try it.
Yeah. First time kumain nila ng durian. Ano lasa? Ha?
It's okay. Not bad.
Mushi.
Yeah.
Parang sarap yan, hindi din ah.
Sa kanya yan, wag mo. Yeah. You're gonna eat a buffet, don't eat anything.
So hindi pa kami makakain dito kasi kakain kami ng seafood buffet. 2 o'clock pa mag-open. So lahat tayo ng durian.
Pork rib. Spicy pork backbones.
Kami pa naman, kami buto. No?
Sarap.
Sarap din, ito to. Sarap pala to. O dito lang to, madal matamis.
Sa Davao, di ba kaya? Good. Like America is so sweet. Magkano yung 30? Green onion? I think it's a bite.
Ito masarap na mais white corn. Sticky. Sticky white corn.
Blue corn. I saw
Sarap.
it there. They're serving hot
Masarap.